Hi guys, and welcome to the Selective School series where I go through one question from a past Selective School paper. So in this question, we're looking at land. Plots of land within a community garden are allocated for people to grow fruit and vegetables. The plots come in a variety of sizes. The garden consists of 7 plots as described in the table below. So I might just move down a little bit and expand this section so it's a little bit easier to see. Now the first thing we need to do is cross out anything that we know is definitely wrong. So we know that there are 7 plots. If we look at D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plots. So we know that it's definitely not going to be D. Now the rest all have 7. So now let's look at something else. I've got plot 1, 4x4, plot 2, 4x4, and that's our smallest plots. And we know that they're squares, so I have to have 2 small squares. So looking at that, I've got 2 small squares there, 2 small squares there. A only has 1 small square, so I know it definitely can't be A. Now I also have 6 by 6, so I need to have 1 large square too. So there's my large square. Now looking at B, I can't actually see a large square. That might be a large square, but it's not quite square-like. So I'll leave it there for a moment while I look at another clue. So my next clue is I've got 6 by 3, 6 by 3, and 6 by 3. So I need to have 3 rectangles that are exactly the same size, and they need to be the same length as the large square. So there's one of them, and these two look like they're the same size as well. And of course the last bit of clue that I have is I have a 7 by 4, which means a larger rectangle, and there it is there. So the answer must be C. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and remember, never stop learning.